Alright guys, we've arrived down here at the Little Miami River, and we're only going to fish a couple little holes here. We're not going to fish all down the river. We don't have any way to transport today. But there's a few things about the kayaks that you need to know. You need to get you some good rod floats, which these are the CUSHs here, because you will drop a rod over the side or flip your kayak or something, so you want to be able to get your rods back. And these things drift a lot when you're fishing out of them, so if you're on a lake or something, the wind kicks up, it's going to blow you pretty good. But other than that, they are fantastic little things to fish out of. This one is the Flint from New Canoe, and it is perfect for the river type fishing situations that you get into, like this one. And then I needed a comfortable life jacket, so I got one of these that actually blow up on you. So the other ones just seem too bulky for me to sit in this thing all day, but I do advise wearing one all the time when you're on the water. And I gotta get it on here. Trying to get this thing on and run the camera at the same time is messing me up. But there we go. And then, because I'm a klutz and I drop my phone all the time, especially into the water, I would advise that you get you a good phone case. This particular phone case here, if you watch, see, goes underwater, no problem at all. And you can drop it. It's not going to bother your phone. See that? So, get you a good phone case. That'll save you some money. Between that and the rod floats, you'll save yourself a lot of money. So, but we're going to get out of here and see what we can get out of this little hole. I've never fished it before. It's just a quick place to launch the boat this morning for a couple hours. And you can see the current breaking down this side. Nice little gravel bar sticking out over there. So hopefully we get some fish. And we'll get back with you and let you know how we're doing. Oh, woohoo! A baby. Got him on that jig. Put him back. As soon as I get him out of my boat. Little baby, but smaller. There we go. Fish on. Number 2. Alright. Another little baby. On that little butt kicker jig. Little denim jig. Alright boys, the rain has started coming in. We are going to go back down the river to the truck. We did not get to fish very long at all, maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. We got 2 little smallmouth. Alright guys, I'm drowned wet now. Just got the kayak loaded back in the truck, so we're going to be headed out. I got 2 little smallmouth on that jig, and if you want any of the floats or phone case or anything that I talked about earlier, there'll be a link in the description below for you to go check it out if you want to buy them. But I highly recommend at least the floats and the phone case. So hope to hear back from you, and we'll let you know how we do next time. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. and we'll get back with you.